I'm Steve Conboy with the Institute of Defensive Building Practices. Today we're here to show you how to waterproof doors. We'd like you to use swing doors instead of sliding doors in this demonstration because we think we can even be more defensive against water intrusion. Well, you're going to see in this video we've been able to keep the water out. We want to keep rising tide water out of your building. So when you come home, your cleanup is nothing like what you saw after Sandy. The key to what we do is we don't use felt papers and fabrics to waterproof buildings up to the windowsills. Above the windowsills, you can use the fabrics, you can use the 30-pound felt papers under your sidings. But below it, you have to use a product like a disaster break to coat the lumber and to coat the concrete and to coat the underpinning to keep the water out. If you look at it, the wood alongside the doors is completely waterproof like a boat. Now the door is set in and the door itself is waterproof. We can even take this to the next step. In the houses that we build, what we try to do is leave a hurricane sheeting product like you've all used to prepare for hurricanes, but our product is going to be waterproof, pre-cut to fit that door. So additional protection would mean that you would take a waterproof piece of plywood, you would caulk it into the casing of the door, caulk it to the floor, adding additional water protection, but also debris protection so that the door itself doesn't break. You can then install another layer that's not waterproof over the top of that sheet to protect the door completely. The key is we want to keep rising tides water out of your house. When you're asked to evacuate, we want you to leave. What we want is when you come home, your cleanup is nothing like you faced when you came home from Sandy. We have to embrace new ways of building. We can't use fabrics and felt paper. We have to use coatings like the disaster break. We want to add more mold protection, more fire protection to the lumber that's already protected. And we want to show you and teach you how to waterproof a building against rising tides. I'm Steve Conboy with the Institute of Defensive Building Practices, and we got a lot more videos to show you. Thank you.